coffee shop, some customers are laughing, enjoying their lattes, while others look dissatisfied. But what if you could instantly know exactly how each person feels about your newest blend? Sentiment analysis. At its core, sentiment analysis is like your business's mood ring. It interprets emotions behind words, painting a clearer picture of how people feel. Instead of manually sifting through thousands of reviews, imagine a tool that tells you, hey, 80% of your customers are loving this, or we have got some unhappy folks here. So, where is this magic applied? Picture a business owner scanning her e-commerce reviews. With sentiment analysis, she quickly knows the general vibe. Then there is Tom, monitoring his brand on social media. Instead of drowning in tweets, he sees a simple chart indicating how his latest ad campaign is received. And let's not forget Lisa, the customer service manager. She can swiftly gauge the mood of inbound emails, strategizing her team's response. But why bother about all these things? Because sentiment analysis is not just a cool trick. It's a compass. It guides proactive solutions, molds marketing strategies, and enhances overall customer experiences. It's like giving your business a supercharged sixth sense. Now, it's not all rainbows. Human emotions are complex. Sarcasm, nuances, and multi-language sentiments can throw a wrench in the works. But remember, no tool is perfect. It's about leveraging what we have got and continuously refining. Eager to dive in? There is a sea of tools out there. While some are plug and play, and others might need expert collaboration. And as with any tool, it's crucial to keep learning, adapting, and evolving. From the bustling cafe to the vast online world, sentiment analysis turns the cacophony of customer voices into harmonious insights. So, are you ready to truly listen? Join us on our NLP for Business Owners Odyssey. Hit that subscribe button, share your sentiment stories, and let's embark on this exhilarating journey together. Thank you.